In today's video, we will learn 10 sentences that will start with I. The first sentence is I am going to school. Second sentence is I saw a parrot in the garden. Third sentence is I am eating my food. Fourth sentence is I do my homework regularly. Fifth sentence is I have a beautiful bag. Sixth sentence is I like to play cricket. Seventh sentence is I am a good boy. Eighth sentence is I love my parents very much. Ninth sentence is I go for a walk daily. The 10th sentence is I want to become a teacher. So these are the 10 very easy sentences that starts with I. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much for watching.